our channel. I'm Lenna.
And I'm Lalo.
And we are
L.
And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you're alerted every time we post a new video. So for today's video, it's been a long awaited cooking video. I've had a few people ask, well not ask, but we've had people recommend that we just do like cooking videos and stuff like that. So for today's video, I'm gonna bring this down a little bit, babe, because my arm hurts.
Do what you do, boo.
For today's video, it's going to be me cooking spaghetti. I know, basic, whatever, easy peasy, but
this isn't ordinary spaghetti.
this isn't.
This is Lenna's dad's spaghetti that we have yet to master, but it is really close.
I don't think we will ever, and that's what I was telling Lalo, that no matter how hard we try to make his spaghetti, I don't think we'll ever get it. But like, we use everything that he uses, but it's just never gonna come out the same. So, and when I tell people like how my dad makes it, because those who have tried his spaghetti know how good it really is. Like, Lalo, come on, tell me how good it is. How good is it?
It's good.
Okay, how
it's
good?
Really good.
1 to 10.
9. There's always room for improvement.
Wow, Dad, do you hear that? Don't make him spaghetti the next time
What
you
you
go to
mean?
work.
That's better than 5. 5 like sucky.
Wow.
So give him a 9.
That's how you really feel. Anyways.
Yeah, because he didn't give me garlic bread last time. And I didn't buy bread today.
Oh,
or
you
milk.
didn't. Wow.
Damn.
You stupid.
No, I'm not.
So anyways, that's what's gonna be for today's cooking with Lenna and Lalo. Get that? That was good, huh? You guys are gonna see how we make it, and you guys are probably gonna be like, wow, I've never had it like that. If you've never had it like this, you guys should probably try it. And then let us know how you guys like it. So this is what we use. Sorry guys for how ugly I look. Look at these pimples I got on my face. Well, I was gonna tell you guys all about it. He gave me shit for it already. Anyways.
All the ingredients you need, alright? So if you're trying to make some spaghetti and try it out for yourselves, this is what we recommend you guys get to try and get the same flavor that we are receiving from our food.
The same flavor that my dad makes.
So
you need pato sauce, tomato sauce, only half. You guys are gonna see how much I actually put. These two, oregano, and the noodles. I'm gonna do it step by step so you guys can see how to make it. Lala's gonna be my cameraman. Okay? Come here, come here.
I don't want to see my mustache. What's up? 2 weeks right here. Nice little mustache. Alright guys, so I'm gonna have Lenna cook the meat up real quick because she's gonna be making it. And then you guys can see that process.
I already squished up all of the meat. I put them both in there. And then this is the seasoning that I'm gonna put on top of it. I don't put too much because I feel like it really doesn't need that much. Should I put a little bit more? So I'm just gonna let this cook a little bit more. So while the meat is cooking, I'm gonna tell you guys the story of what happened to me today.
Today? What about what happened to me last week?
What happened?
The same thing. I went to freaking like 3 stores.
I thought you only went to 2.
Yeah, I did. But I wanted to have the story up.
So what happened to me today is, since we didn't get to do the Popeyes versus Chick-fil-A review when we initially wanted to do it, because it was very last minute, but we weren't able to do it because the 2 locations that Lalo went to didn't have any. So we're like, okay, well we can do it for today's video. So after work, keep in mind,
sorry,
I got off at 1:30. So after I got off, I went to different Popeyes. So there's one close by my work. They didn't have any. So that's the very first one I went to. So at this point, the other ones that were close by me, Lalo already had went to. So I wasn't gonna go to those again. So my only option was to go on the east side. So the east side is a little bit, like what, 25, 30 minutes from us. So I was like, okay, I might as well just go. I'm already on the west side. I'm kind of already like in the area. I'm in the middle. So I told her, I was like, okay, I'm gonna call them and see if any of them answer before I actually travel, because I was like, oh, that's kind of a drive. Nobody answered. So I was like, all right, fuck it. I'm just gonna go and drive there. So I drive to, I don't know which one I first went to. Oh, you know what? It was off of, let me look.
It's in the corner of Myra and D's nuts.
Stupid. So the first location I went to was off Montana. Didn't have it. I went to one that's off Montwood Drive. Didn't have it. So these locations did have a paper sign saying that they were out. So I went to my last location, which was off Lee Trevino. That's a drive. So I went there, and that was the last one. And they also had a sign. So I'm like, you know what? At this point, I'm just gonna ask to see maybe they, maybe they know what other location might have the chicken sandwiches. So I asked, and they tell me that every location is out and that they won't get them until next month. So here I am on Twitter tweeting Popeyes. First of all, I don't follow Popeyes. So once I was done tweeting, I go to the profile, and sure enough, they mentioned on their Twitter that they were gonna be out. So
all Popeyes around the world, or just
yes,
out of chicken?
Out of the chicken sandwiches, like no Popeyes has them.
Like no Popeyes has spicy chicken?
Nope. Until next month. So
Jesus Christ.
I wish I would have known this before I drove all over El Paso for these damn chicken sandwiches. So that's what happened to me.
Your shit hits.
Alright, let me have some. Let me try it out. Let's see.
Smacks. That shit smacks.
Oh man.
Because I just put lemon, you don't let me mix it.
That's actually really good. But I'm a dummy. Because I should have checked Twitter. I should have checked social media, like. But whatever, now we know. So that video will be up next month.
Yeah.
Okay.
Unfortunately. What we're gonna do is finish breaking up the meat and take all the grease or oil, whatever it may be. We're gonna take it out and just wait for the noodles to finish cooking.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna add the oregano. I don't get too much. I get about this much.
Butter.
Butter what? Butter, huh?
Pinch worth? No, that's not more than pinch. What do they call that? They call that somehow.
Kind of like half a handful, I guess. Maybe smaller. So what I'm gonna do, the reason why I don't get so much is just because you can just.
Damn, girl, that's a big old ring.
Okay, and then you just mix it. That's gonna give the carne a few. The meat. The carne some flavor, a little bit more flavor. So I'll let that cook for a little bit longer, and then I'll add the pato sauce and the tomato sauce. Alright, so I'm about to put the main ingredients. I'll put the whole pato sauce. Even sometimes I feel like it's not enough. Like, I feel like I should put a little bit more. Should I put a little bit more?
No.
No? Sometimes I do. It just really depends. It depends how spicy you guys really want it. Because basically, this is going to end up being a spicy spaghetti. And I like spicy. So does Lalo. But it just depends how you guys want it. So I'm going to put half of the tomato. Then I'm going to mix it. And it also goes based off how much you really want to put, if you want it to be like juicy and not so dry. So sometimes that has actually happened to me, and that's why I'm like debating on probably putting a little bit more pato sauce, because if anything, I'd probably add more pato sauce and tomato sauce. That's how I grew up having my spaghetti. Every time I'd visit my dad when I still lived in Phoenix, and whenever I'd go to Parker, I'd have him make me this or
pancakes.
Or pancakes. Oh my god, his pancakes are the best. I can't make pancakes for shit. Lalo can't either.
Yeah, you can.
No, you can't.
Yep.
Lalo's comes out thick. He doesn't know how to make.
Cause I'm thick.
Cause he a thicky. Thicky. Thicky dicky.
Are you good, bro? Hey, brother. Hey, brother.
I'm gonna add a little bit more butter sauce actually.
Why?
Because I want it. Look at it. Okay, look at what.
Oh yeah, it needs more.
If you guys come a little bit closer, this is what it looks like right now. I want it to be a little bit more spicy, so Lalo's butthole can burn. Just kidding. It's not that hot. Oh my gosh. So that's basically the process on how you make the sauce. So what I'm just gonna do now is I'm gonna let it marinate while the noodles get done, and then I'm just gonna put it together, and then we're gonna test it.
Yeah, we'll see, cause your spaghetti's actually been coming out sometimes good, sometimes. Last time we ate it, actually, it was nasty.
Wow, so you lied to me?
I had to. It was the only right thing to do.
Wow, you're fake. And a liar.
I'm not fake.
I know that is fake.
It's
you weren't
misleading.
honest. You were honest with
It's
me.
misleading, not lying.
You were.
I told you it was.
He told me it was. He told me it was good. And you know, I will agree it wasn't my best. But that's why I'm saying, like, I know what I needed to add last time, and that's why I'm adding it now. So, whatever, Lolo. You was a liar.
Alright guys, so the noodles look like they're almost ready. And if you guys didn't know, this is to measure the noodles.
Okay, where'd you get that from?
Twitter.
I mean, yes, you can find everything on Twitter, and you can learn something new on Twitter every day. But...
And then for the spaghetti, you just grab a strand, right? And you throw it on the wall. Oh, that's not ready. When it's ready, it's supposed to stick to the wall.
Where'd you learn that?
Twitter.
Oh, okay.
Everything I learned is from Twitter. Because I'm a watcher.
Yeah, you are. If you guys have me on Snapchat, you guys know that I posted this. It is actually Chico's paw print. So I just barely went and picked it up today because when Chico was ready to get picked up, our friend actually went for him. Basically, we weren't able to pick up Chico's paw when Chico actually got picked up. So I barely went and got it today. So that is the paw that they took before his cremation. So it's so cute. I love it. So we just have it right there on his cover for right now, but I love it. Okay guys, so it's all done. I'm gonna mix it now. I feel like I probably put a little bit too much noodles, but it's all right. So this is what it looks like, and we're about to test it right now.
Let's see how Lenna did.
Mmm. It's actually really good.
No, it's good. It's good.
Like, are you being for real? Are you being honest?
Honestly, it's good, but I think there's a little bit too much noodle. Not taste wise, but like proportion wise, I think there's more noodles than there is meat, and I'm a meat lover.
Ooh. So, let me know how you guys, if you guys do make it, not saying you have to, but if you guys do make it, let us know how you guys like it. Tag us, take a snap, take a Instagram post or something, and just mention us, so then you can let us know how you like it. But yeah, it's pretty easy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's first video of cooking with Lenna and Lalo.
LNL.
LNL. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Before we close out this video, we have to give out our shout out, and today's shout out's gonna go out to,
our shout out's gonna go to Alejandra Estrada. Thank you for commenting, and thank you for supporting our channel. If you guys enjoyed it, hopefully we can do a little bit more meals. Hopefully we can make more videos of us cooking, and then kind of show you guys what our favorite meals are, and then have you guys suggestions. If you end up making that food, would like to see you guys comments and see what you guys think of of our selection of food, because obviously we're all from different parts of the world, so we all cook different. Even Hispanics eat different, you know, just like we eat totopos with our pozole. Some people eat bread with their pozole. So it's all different. Some people eat tortillas with it. I mean, it's all the same thing essentially, but it's cool to see that, and I like trying different foods.
All right, so that's gonna be it for today, and we hope you guys enjoyed the video. We will see you guys next time. Bye guys.
Peace.